Which of the following is false with respect to Earth-centered inertial coordinate system? A. Accuracy is 10.5 hr. B. Newton's laws are not valid. C. Angular coordinates of stars are conventionally tabulated in ECI. D. Used in mechanizing inertial navigators. The correct answer is Newton's laws are not valid. The angle of arrival relative to the airframe of a radio signal from an external transmitter is called A. Bearing, B. Heading, C. Phase, D. Approach angle. The correct answer is bearing. What is the technique of calculating position from measurements of velocity called? A. Dead reckoning, B. Doppler radar, C. Secondary surveillance, D. Celestial navigation. The correct answer is dead reckoning. Which coordinate system is used in satellite-based radio navigation? A. Earth-centered Earth-fixed, B. Earth-centered inertial, C. Geodetic spherical coordinates, D. Geodetic wander azimuth. The correct answer is Earth-centered Earth-fixed. What is the angle between the normal to the reference ellipsoid and the equatorial plane at a point called? A. Geodetic angle, B. Correction factor, C. Geodetic latitude, D. Earth angle. The correct answer is geodetic latitude. Related ranging errors to the dispersion in measured position. A. TDOP, B. GDCP, C. TDOP, D. APEG. The correct answer is TDOP. Which one of the following is not an input utilized by the aircraft navigation system? A. Sonar, B. Radio aids, C. Dead reckoning data, D. Celestial measurements. The correct answer is sonar. What is TDOP? A. Time dilution of pseudorange, B. Time dilution of position, C. Time dilution of pressure, D. Time distortion of position. The correct answer is time dilution of position. Geocentric spherical coordinates are used for short-range dead reckoning navigation. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. The navigation equations are used by the onboard computer to calculate position, velocity and altitude. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true.